Hi, welcome to Edabit C# Programming Challenges number 6 for the easy category. This one's called repeating letters. You are to create a function that takes a string and returns a string in which each character is repeated once. Check out the examples. The input is string, so we get SS, TT, RR, II, and NGG. I think that one's enough, but feel free to look through the others. This is an interesting example down here with some punctuation marks. You don't care what it is, just repeat it, whatever you encounter. That's the rule. The note is all test cases contain valid strings. Don't worry about spaces, special characters, or numbers. They're all considered valid characters. So that's easy enough. On to the coding. Pause the video, implement this, and then resume when you're done or you've made your best effort. Okay, for my solution, I decided to do something that probably isn't the best here, but this is a learning channel, and I just wanted to introduce a new class that you're likely not familiar with if you're new to C#. So I'm going to leverage something called the StringBuilder class. And we're going to create an object of that type. That's what this new does with the constructor. And if you would like to refer to this class, this is it here. StringBuilder represents a mutable string of characters. This is different, right? The regular strings, we know we can change them in code. We plus equals to them, we concatenate to them. But under the hood, you're actually getting back a new string. It's not modifying the string you have. In this case, the string is actually mutable, and so it can be useful at times where you're going to be changing a string a lot. You know, maybe this is better for your needs. They have some, of course, the regular examples, but there's also some documentation in here that I think helps you decide when to go for this type. So read over this page if you're interested, if this sounds like something you would like to use. Tell you how it works. But yeah, for the purpose of this video, just know that it's a mutable string. Then I'm going to iterate over the collection. Remember, a string is an array or a collection of characters. And then I'm going to say SB append. Let's go back, look at an example. It has this append method on it, and you could look that up, properties and methods, for just adding stuff to the end. And that's what I need here. So you do that, but notice there's insertion, there's replacing. That's kind of cool, right? That could have helped us in some other problems. So I will append ch to string ch. I'm going to append the character twice, right? We did it. We want 2 instances if you remember the instructions. So that's how we get that. The append method expects a string. That's why I had to convert these characters to strings. And then once you're done, after that's all been processed, you can return SB. Whoa, jump there. SB to string. Remember, we're looking for a string in the return type. You can't return a string builder there. You have to return a string. So this will give you the contents. And yeah, that looks about right. Let's see what we get. Uh-oh. Of course. All right, here's another learning opportunity. Feel free to pause and figure out what I did wrong. They're reporting an error on line 5. The typer namespace string builder could not be found. Oh, and look at this. Spoiler alert. They're going to give us an idea right there. Are you missing SystemText? We sure are. Using SystemText. Let's try that. And that would have been specified in our on the document page too. Notice at the top, namespace SystemText. I should have grabbed that while I was there. Anyway, here we are now. Let's try it again. See if everything's good. Let's see now. We got another error on line 10. The type char does not contain a definition for string. No extension method string. So line 10. Oh, sure. Do you see it? Another typing error there. And you could have counted out the spaces if you wanted 34 characters over. So, yeah, that was definitely a problem. Still thinking. Okay, there we go. There's the happy sound. And yeah, so that'll do it. I wouldn't recommend StringBuilder for this example, this really simple one. Again, this is instructional purposes only. Hopefully I put something else in your tool belt there with this StringBuilder class. Expanded your horizons a little bit, hopefully. But yeah, probably not efficient in a small case where you're not doing a lot of modification. But yeah, feel free to share your solution, which is likely more efficient than mine. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.